Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clone any website using AI and then turn it into your own fully editable WordPress website. So instead of building everything from zero, you can use AI to copy the layout, content and customize it inside the WordPress. You can change the text, colors, images or even turn it to something completely different. So today I will guide you step by step and use one of my own portfolio website as the example I want to clone. Now let's get into the actual process of cloning a website. There are many online tools that can help you generate website using AI, but for cloning an existing website, 10web is the one of the best option out there. So go to the Google and search for 10web. The first link should be their official site. Go ahead and click on that. So this is the platform where you can generate or clone any website easily using AI. At the top, you will see a Get Started from Free button. Click on that. Once you are in, you will see three main options. Create a new website with AI. In this option, you can describe the website you want and AI will build it for you from scratch. Now the second option is convert a non-WordPress website to WordPress using AI. This is one of the well used today to clone an existing website. And the third one is to migrate a WordPress website to 10web hosting. This is useful if you already have a WordPress website and want to move it to the 10web servers for better speed and AI tools. So now we will go with the second option because we want to convert and clone an existing website to WordPress. So click on proceed under that option. You will be asked to sign up or continue with Google. So I recommend continuing with the Google to make the process quicker. After you log in, you will reach the main interface where you will see a box to enter the URL of the website you want to clone. I will paste the link to my own portfolio website. Here you can use any site you want to test. Just copy the URL, paste it in the box and then click proceed. Now give it a few minutes. The AI will scan the site, install WordPress and automatically manage everything behind the scenes. Once that's done, you will see an option to preview and edit the site. Click on it and your website is cloned. You will see that about 90% of the design and content is exactly the same. There may be some small formatting differences, but those can be fixed easily. Once the website is cloned, you can easily edit to match your style. At the top of the page, you will see a button that says Edit with Web Builder. Click on it. This will open the editing mode. This editor is almost identical to Elementor. It's a drag and drop visual builder, which means you can click on any section and make changes easily. You can change the text and images, update background colors, adjust alignments, modify padding and margins and many more things. Now I am doing some changes on the site, resolve all the formatting issues and some text. Once you have made your changes, click Save and go back to the dashboard. From the dashboard, you will see everything you need: plugins, themes, domain settings, navigation. You can even add a new page from here. But now comes the main question: how do you move this cloned website to your own domain? So there are two simple ways. First, you can do the full backup and restore the website. On the left menu, click Backup. Now click on Create New Backup. Wait a few minutes while it processes. Once it's done, you will see a download button. Click on that. This will download a full backup of your site. You can now upload this backup to your own domain using any WordPress hosting with the backup plugins like All-in-One, WP Migration or Updraft Plus. But if you only want to move one page or a certain section, you can export a template. So you can go to the page which you want to export. At the top, click the drop down next to the Save and Publish. Choose Save as Template. Now give your template a name and click Save. After a few seconds, you can see your template which you have saved in My Template section. So click the three dots next to your saved template and choose export. Now this template is downloaded on your device. You can upload this to your other website by importing it. I have already made a full video by showing how to import and export templates between WordPress websites. So I will leave the link in the description below, you can watch it. Now one important tip for you is if you only want to export the template, you may have to look for the plugin as well, because it may not look exactly the same if you just import the template. That's because the design might be using specific plugin. So what you have to do is, you can go back to the dashboard of the cloned site, click on the plugins from the left menu, note down all the active plugins used in the site, then go to your own website and install the same plugins. This way your imported pages will look and work perfectly, just like the original. So another thing you should know is 10web lets you create only one cloned website for free. If you want to clone more websites, you will need to purchase a plan. Or you can use different Google accounts to get around it and clone multiple websites for free. So in my next videos, I will show you the other ways to clone a website for free without using any AI tools. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with me. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell icon so you don't miss out any other video.